So I've always considered herbs to be a very vital and important part of a healthy natural hair routine. Um, that is why I always try as much as possible to incorporate this into my hair routine. Today's video, I'm going to be showing you how you can use some of these herbs to help you strengthen your hair and make your hair resilient to withstand any form of breakage at all. So keep watching. Hi, my name is Joy, and you're welcome to my channel. If you're new to my channel, please kindly hit that subscribe button on your screen and also give this video a thumbs up, like this video, share this video with your friends and your loved ones, and also turn on your post notification bell so that you'll be notified each time I post a video. So today's video is all about how to strengthen your hair and help your hair to be resilient against any form of to withstand any form of breakage and hair fall, especially in this period we're in. Is the dry season. Everywhere is windy, cold and dry, so this is the period where her hair has every tendency to get dry always. So it doesn't even matter how much you moisturize your hair, you just find out that your hair keeps getting dry. That is because of the weather. And so it's very important to incorporate any form of strengthening procedure that can help you to help your hair to be resilient and withstand breakage. So today's video, I'm sharing with you one of those ways in which you can strengthen your hair, and that is the use of Ayurvedic herbs. So what I have here is fenugreek, hibiscus and moringa powder. So these three herbs has helped me a lot in my natural hair journey. They've proven to be very strengthening, and each time I just feel my hair is so fragile and limp, I try to use these herbs and they've helped me a lot so far. So there are other variety of herbs that you can use, a lot of them, but I've been more consistent with this three, and also cloves, but I'm not using cloves in this video. I think the other herb that I added to this is chebe powder, so I didn't include it in the bowl there, but I think I later added chebe powder. So chebe powder is known for its ability to retain moisture. It's very good for our natural hair so that you don't lose moisture easily from your hair. So I have a background of chebe in one of my videos, so you can check my playlist and you see how I use chebe and what chebe is all about. So I'm not going to go into that in today's video, but these three herbs that I'm using today are very good. Like the fenugreek is rich in vitamins, irons, and it also contains protein, so you want to be careful on how you use them. It's advisable to use Ayurvedic herbs like twice in a month, that is once in 2 weeks. So it's not something you want to use every day or every week, because most of this herb contains protein, and too much protein in your hair can cause protein overload. So you don't want to have protein overload because it can also break your hair. So you want to use it when needed in your hair because it's very rich and it can help you to reduce hair loss. But more importantly is its strengthening factor. It's really strengthening the hair, and I love using fenugreek. So hibiscus also is a very good herb. It really moisturizes the hair. Hibiscus is known to prevent premature graying, and it also helps to strengthen the hair also. So I love using hibiscus. I use it as a tea rinse and hairspray, and pretty much interchanging the way I use some of these herbs. So I might not I might use it as a mask this week, and in the next 2 weeks, or when I want to use it again, I can use it as an air spray or a tea rinse. So by all means, kind of experiment on which method works for you best and do that. So I'm just applying this all over all sections of my hair. And talking about moringa is so good. Moringa is a very popular Ayurvedic remedy in the hair care community, and it also contains vitamin A, B. It promotes hair growth, it reduces hair loss, and also it's a source of iron. Like, guys, if you don't know, I'm going to tell you right now. If you are experiencing lots of hair loss, excessive hair shedding, or lumpy hair, sometimes it might be due to low iron in your body. So iron deficiency can also cause hair loss, hair thinning, and all that. So moringa contains a very high amount of ions, and it also allows blood flow to the scalp. So each time I use moringa on its own, or when I infuse it into my conditioner or a deep conditioner, I always find that my hair feels thick and kind of have this fuller look like that. So moringa is very good, and it also contains amino acid. So these herbs have lots and lots of benefits that are inexhaustible. So by all means, try out whichever works for you. I've been using these ones for a very long time, and I found them to be very helpful. So I'm done applying these, and of course I have to use heat to allow it to penetrate. If not, my hair is low in porosity, it will just be sitting on my hair and not even penetrate into my hair strand. So using heat helps it to penetrate better into my hair strands, and everything just kind of blends in. And that's all for today's video. I hope you learned one or two things from today's video. Please kindly give this video a thumbs up if you did. Engage me in the comment section. Let me know which herb you love best, because I know everybody has his or her own preference. So which one kind of works best for you, which one doesn't work for you, let me know in the comment section. And also please subscribe to this channel, also give this video a like, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.